Like and subscribe right now, or this spider will crawl on your face when you're sleeping. From a river that boils everything to the Jesus Christ lizards running on water, the largest anaconda, walking trees, aliens, and vicious tarantula, the Amazon is full of monstrous and marvelous creatures that no one was supposed to see. The boiling river. I love bathing in hot water as much as the next person. But what if I tell you there's a river in the Amazon that has a temperature between 50 and 100 degrees Celsius? Visitors make tea with the water as a fun jape. Many animals have been seen dying by boiling due to high water temperature. The nearby tribes believe that the water has healing properties and only allows a couple of visitors to tour. This intense temperature is not caused by any volcanic heat, but a geothermal phenomenon. The core temperature of the Earth in the area is high, that causes this body of water to boil. The Jesus Christ lizard. A lizard was found in the Amazon, which was given the name of Jesus Christ lizard. This name was given due to its miraculous and unique ability to walk on the surface of the water. Normally, it's called the green basilisk and is 2 feet long. When it feels threatened, this lizard sprints on the water at a fast pace. The rare talent is due to its freakishly long toes and extra skin that helps it to create a greater surface area to run on the water. But here, the speed is of utmost importance. If the lizard won't keep the speed optimum, it can fall into the river. But no worries there, as this lizard also knows swimming. A vicious tarantula. Many people find tarantulas extremely cute and keep them as pets. Wait till you hear about this savage one. Found in the Amazon, Goliath bird eater is the largest spider in the world by mass and weighs approximately 175 grams and has a length of 13 centimeters. As the name depicts, this creature preys on birds. This spider kills its prey in the most merciless way imaginable. It cannot eat solid food, so it stabs the prey with its poisonous fangs, waits for the victim to paralyze, which liquefies the insides of the prey, and then slugs its food in a yummy, yummy way. Outright brutal! Well, don't worry, because its venom doesn't affect humans. JABUTICABA tree. This tree is another wonder residing in the Amazon forest. Most trees have fruit hanging by its branches, but this peculiar fella has fruit on its bark and trunks. More like the whole tree is covered with grapes. There's an evolutionary reason to this feature, as the JABUTICABA tree wants to feed the little animals who can't climb to reach most fruits. What a thoughtful tree! It is also known as the Brazilian grape tree and is native to the state of Rio de Janeiro. Apart from fruit, it is also fully covered with white flowers. Geoglyphs of Amazon. A geoglyph is a large design or pattern made on the surface of ground. Some are deemed quite mysterious, and people have also predicted that these geoglyphs were made by aliens. The Amazon also contains these huge geometrical patterns, and the purpose of these markings is a huge debate between archaeologists. 300 have been discovered in the forest so far with the help of advanced technology, such as drones and helicopters. The strange thing in this scenario is that if the ancient civilization have built them, how did they used to see the whole pattern, as it's impossible to overlook them at ground level, and what was the purpose for this strenuous work? The walking trees. Amazon's wonders don't just stop there. There's a tree in the rainforest that moves. No, I'm not talking about Groot from the Marvel Cinematic Universe. The walking palm is the common name of the Socratia exorchiza, and this tree moves by extending its roots from one place to another when the soil's nutrient levels decrease. It then searches for other surfaces which are rich in nutrients and sunlight. This evolutionary approach is due to the competitiveness with the neighboring trees. This is such a strange-looking tree, as the trunks are protruding from its body in a manner resembling spider legs. The green anaconda. It is not possible to talk about the Amazon rainforest and not discuss the green anaconda. This reptile is one of the largest snake species found, and this stupid man went on poking it. Thank God, this snake did not chase him down. But look at its massive jaw! It was huge! Although they are non-venomous, green anacondas will coil around you in seconds, suffocate you, and then devour you for hours. It weighs up to 550 pounds and is approximately 29 feet long, giving a tough competition to the python. Its eyes and nostrils are located on top of its head. This hideous creature observes its prey from a distance and suddenly pounces to gulp you down. The glass frog. There's a frog in the Amazon known as the glass frog. It has translucent green skin that shows the organs of the frog, the stomach, intestines, guts, and all that. You can even see their little heart beating inside the chest cavity. This feature is very helpful as it protects them from the eyes of their predators. The tiny creature of 1.2 to 3 inches is also known to eat their young ones and are native to the Amazon forest. Victoria amazonica. The Amazon has a ton of unique species that includes a water lily that can hold up to 300 pounds of weight. Victoria amazonica has a life cycle of a few days and a very fragrant pineapple-like scent. When the flower opens on the first day, it has a white color, but on the next day, the color changes to a bright purple red and the fragrance also vanishes. They grow approximately to 8 feet, and the most remarkable thing is that it can hold an entire adult person in it. But be careful before stepping on it, as the plant has thorns to protect it from predators. Decoy spider. Cyclosa spider in the Amazon are so cunning that they make fake spiders by using leaves, debris, and dead insects. They hang it in the middle of the web to trick predators as a defense mechanism. Scientists believe that it is an evolved and specialized behavior. Considering that the spiders can make intricate geometrical designs, it is no surprise to see this type of practice. Clever and creepy, right? Plastic-eating fungus. Researchers from Yale University have found a fungus in the Amazon that eats plastic. It's good news for environmentalists, as it can combat the biggest environmental problems we have at this time, that being plastic pollution. These fungi eat plastics as their food and convert it into organic matter. Another unique feature of this mushroom is that it is an anaerobic fungi, meaning that it can live without oxygen. This feature makes it an effective agent for cleaning the landfills from plastic waste. The leaf insects. There are many insects that mimic leaves. The unique feature of the insects makes you wonder about Mother Nature. These insects feed on plants and live in densely vegetative areas. Its distinctive feature helps it to camouflage with the bark of trees and defend against predators. To further confuse predators, when the leaf insect walks, it rocks back and forth to mimic a real leaf being blown by the wind. What a clever little fella! And now, let us move on to our subscriber pick of the day. This image was sent to us by one of our subscribers. Similarly, if you ever wish to know more about an image you come across, just send it on over to us. Who knows, we might even feature it in one of our videos. The subscriber's pick. Today's subscriber pick is the picture of a giant snake tearing down a helicopter. Obviously, we don't have such giant snakes that can tower up to take a helicopter, but it is said that once there was an enormous serpent in the Amazon. It existed 5 million years after the annihilation of dinosaurs and is named Titanoboa. It weighed approximately 2,500 pounds and had a length of 50 feet. What do you think? Is this a real depiction of that massive creation? Aliens in the Amazon. 2 British visitors filmed a video in the Amazon in which they noticed an odd and unusual species. If we focus on the nearby tree, it looks as if an extraterrestrial species is present there. The Amazon is a dense forest. Who knows if an unusual living kind is present there, hidden from the eyes of the rest of the world? It also comes from the area that has experienced common UFO sightings. Many people have deemed it as a hoax by stating that it's just the result of some lighting rather than a creature. tell us your views about the Amazon rainforest. Would you visit there if ever given the chance? Comment down below. Thank you very much for watching the video. Do like and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to not miss any of the upcoming amazing videos. Thank you once again.